if you have the factory fill tube, you actually will have a reference water line. And what that's going to do is at that reference water line, you're really meeting your design target for gallons per flush or liters per flush. So just the amount of water per flush that you're going to get. So to get to that water line, you can again make your small adjustments. So I'm going to rotate clockwise. And now I'm meeting that water line. Now, if there's plenty of water in the tank, plenty of water in the bowl, I want to save a little water per flush, per fill. That's where you could adjust counterclockwise. So again, I'll adjust the float counterclockwise. And remember, this is not going to change the water level until you do a complete flush cycle. So I'll do a complete flush cycle and you'll see the ending water level is not going to be right at that line. So you can see it's quite a bit lower from where it was after those adjustments. So that's going to save us a little bit of water per flush if that's what you're looking for. Which remember, that also will lessen the amount of water going into the bowl, so it will slightly lower the water level in the bowl. So it's really as easy as that. But if you need a little bit more direction, you don't know what a few of the other components are, maybe the water level in the bowl is really low and you need some help, or just overall, how does a toilet work? Check out this video right here. I'll walk you through all those topics to make sure you get your own problem fixed without having to call in the professionals. So thanks for joining me on this video, and we'll catch you on that next one. Take care.